Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, today is Saturday and I'm up. Well, finally get up. Well, I've been up for quite some time. I was going back through the vlog that's supposed to go up tomorrow. So I export it, I need to upload it, put in the necessaries, and then, you know, do the do. Anyway, so yesterday was my sister's birthday. I said in that vlog that I was going to bake her birthday cake. However, I did not get to bake the cake, and then she did have other cakes. So I'm gonna say, all right, make a wait. So today I want to bake that. So we're gonna have like a little baking in this vlog. Not sure if we're still going anywhere, but if we do, hear my phone. But if we do, then you'll have that as well, amongst other things. So just chill with me. You know, we're starting off a new vlog. I don't know what the vlog are gonna name yet or anything, but we're here, we're vlogging, and that's the most important part. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. All right guys, so I'm in the kitchen. I have all my stuff right here to bake. So I not much me I bake, and I know Christmas cake. I'm baking a pack cake. She actually wanted cupcakes first, but now we can't find the, what do you call it, the cup thingy for the cupcakes. So we're gonna stick with the cake. So bring y'all closer. So we're gonna bake. Let's bake. I'm not gonna carry you through this because everybody's supposed to, well, if you don't, it's kind of easy. I don't know, like me, I teach you. It's not a tutorial. It's a vlog. So we're gonna montage this, okay?
I'll pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Alright guys, I'm finished with Shan's cake. Yes. And she literally I can't cut it now.
Tell me why.
Because she wants it hot. When they tell them already. Yeah, she love her cake hot. When they tell me. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Guys, we just start digging it.
It's a good crush for you though. Because it's hot.
It's kind of hot. So, right now.
Shall I should pull my cake?
Ugh, I don't care right now.
Oh my god.
Talk about him enough. Talk about him. He's quite a good guy.
Always.
No doubt. Yeah, please have some fish and nobody see anything.
Hot.
Yeah, it is. Alright, go back on.
Let's go back to it.
The dish over here.
Alright guys, so totally forgot to end the vlog. So we're gonna end it today. It's like days after. I'm editing right now and realize I did not end the vlog. So thanks for staying with me, for baking with me. It did come out nice, it did nice and everything. So yeah, thanks for today's question. I'm gonna be asking, what's your favorite Christmas song? Right now my favorite Christmas song, I think it's So This Is Chris. Another song was Celine Dion singing. That's kind of my favorite one right now. I love all of the pentatonic song, but right now I think that one is my favorite. I love what's the song's name again? I'll link the song down below, my favorite Christmas songs. But yeah, those are my favorite Christmas songs. So what are your favorite Christmas songs or Christmas song? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.